Hello, I'm Jim Barbie. I'm the trainer of Princess Sugar Pie. She's world famous therapy cat and show cat that I rescued when she was a feral kid living underneath my condominium. But anyway, we're at Seymour Vet Clinic visiting our two good friends, Sandy Richardson and her little pet bird named Baby Bird. Baby Bird, you have something to say? Come on, let's talk. Good.
That's my baby bird. Baby bird. Here's your water. Here's your water.
Yeah, Baby Bird is a common starling that Sandy rescued when he was just a little bird, and that's how he got the name Baby Bird. Anyway, let's pet Baby Bird. Pet him. Good girl. Be still. Be still. That's a good girl. Good girl. Oh, bless you. You need some cough drops, don't you? Anyway, on behalf of Princess Sugar Pie and Baby Bird, I'm Jim Barbie, and this is Sandy Richardson. We're waving bye-bye.